The broken pencil. A boy was sitting quietly in his classroom. He loved writing, but one day his pencil broke. He felt sad and said, "My pencil is broken. I can't write anymore." His teacher smiled and gave him a new pencil. Then she said something he would never forget. "It's not the pencil that writes, it's your hand." The boy thought for a moment. He picked up the new pencil and started writing again. That day, he understood an important lesson. It's not about what you lost, it's about what you still have. Years later, whenever he faced problem in life, he remembered those words and never gave up. Moral: your success doesn't depend on tools or situations. It depends on your effort and mindset. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos, please subscribe my channel.